If I told you there are businesses in Kenya that have survived inflation, elections, COVID, dollar changes, and even bad governments, would you listen? Let me be honest with you. In Kenya, most businesses don't fail because people are lazy. They fail because people choose the wrong businesses. Today, I'm not giving you hype. I'm giving you 10 businesses in Kenya that rarely fail, businesses that still work in 2026 and beyond if you do them right. Up till the end, because number 8 shocks most people, and number 10 is what rich families quietly pass down. This video is not for dreamers. It's for people who want steady money, predictable demand, and long-term survival in Kenya. These are the 10 businesses in Kenya that rarely fail. 1. Food supply businesses, not restaurants. Why it rarely fails. People stop buying clothes, phones, and luxury, but they never stop eating. Examples: supplying vegetables to hotels and estates, supplying cereals, rice, beans, maize. Don't sell to individuals. Sell to businesses that sell to people. 2. Rental housing, low middle income. Why it survives. Kenya has a housing deficit, not surplus. Focus on bed-sitters, 1-bedroom units, affordable estates near job. Luxury rentals fail faster than affordable ones. 3. The transport-linked businesses, not owning vehicles, servicing them. Examples: motorbike repair, tire shops, car wash, spare parts. As long as vehicles move, repairs never stop. 4. Education-related services, not schools, support services. Examples: tuition centers, exam printing and revision materials, school transport, uniform supply. Parents will sacrifice everything else for education. 5. Healthcare support businesses, not hospitals. Examples: pharmacies, medical supplies, home care services, diagnostic referrals. Health spending is recession-proof. 6. Waste and sanitation businesses, unsexy but powerful. Examples: garbage collection, recycling plastics, septic services. Problems nobody wants to handle are often the most profitable. 7. Mobile money and digital agent services. Examples: M-Pesa agents, bill payment center, cashless payment support. Kenya runs on transactions, not cash. 8. Construction-related micro businesses, not big construction, support services. Sand and ballast supply, painting, plumbing, electrical work. Construction never stops. It just slows and restarts. 9. Personal services for busy people. Laundry, errand running, cleaning services, caregiving. As people get busier, they outsource life. 10. Distribution and middleman businesses, legacy hustle. This is what wealthy families quietly do. Being the supplier, not the brand. Controlling access to goods, owning logistics routes. Whoever controls distribution controls the money. Notice something? None of these businesses depend on trends, social media, or hype. They depend on human needs. Starting a business in Kenya in 2026, don't ask, what's trending? Ask, what will people still need, even when things get hard? Now tell me in the comments, which of these 10 surprised you the most, or which one are you already doing? My name is Victor, founder of Cenvotex B&M Solutions, and I help Kenyan entrepreneurs with business tips and ideas, branding, marketing, and AI to grow faster with less hustle. This is just the beginning. If you want part 2, here's what you can do. Hit this video that lets me know you're enjoying the video. Comment your thoughts. I'm reading them all. Share it with friends who need to see this. Subscribe so you don't miss what happens next.